This is a Dodge Caravan, and we're replacing the serpentine belt for the alternator and water pump and the crankshaft. And what happened is we're driving in snow, slushy snow, and it got into the belt and caused the belt to come off. Right there. Starting at the bottom, it goes around the crankshaft pulley, which is the vibration damper. Then it goes around the air conditioning pulley, then up to the alternator. Then it goes underneath the idler wheel, then over to the power steering pump, then down to the water pump. Then it goes up over the tensioning pulley, then back down to the crankshaft pulley. Got this breakover bar on the tensioning pulley here, and there's a 1/2-inch socket, and you can release the tension on the belt like so. Make sure we got everything right. Here's the belt going around the air conditioner, up and over the alternator, below the idler wheel. Then it goes over, up and over the power steering pump. Then it comes down around the water pump, then up and over the tensioner, and then back down around the crankshaft pulley, the vibration damper. And it looks like the belt is on correctly on all the sprockets. So we'll start it up and see what happens. So it looks like the belt, from now on I'll try to avoid going through deep slushy snow, because it splashes up around the serpentine belt and gets lodged in there and causes it to come off. Okay, thanks.